Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert an article into a video. First of all, we will choose an article. Now we will go to a website called InVideo. After entering the website, now we will press text to video. Here we can see a lots of template. We can choose any of them. Let me choose this one and click use this template. Now here if you want you can add any script if you have any, or you can add URL. As we are going to convert an article, so we will use the URL one. We will choose the link of the article. We will paste it and press fetch. Now it converted the article into a script. Now if you press any of those lines, it will make points for the videos. Now we will not click enter right now. We will go to another website called Quillbot. Now we will select the points and paste it to the website and click enter. Now what it will do is it will change the sentence so it doesn't stay same as the article. We will do that for every point. Now go to storyboard. Within few seconds it will make the video. Here is the video. The AI has generated pictures, so we can remove it. We can remove it and give our own images if we want. We can download copyright free images from pexas.com. We can also use images from the website. We can also choose musics from their website. Now we will click Advanced Editor. Here we can make the video longer, and we can also give voiceover. After that, we will click Download and Share. Now it will render the video and it will take few minutes. After that, we will click Download. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.